Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and the monthly update of my €100,000 challenge. If you are new here, the idea is simple. I'm documenting my journey to grow €100,000 portfolio step by step and sharing all the wins, setbacks and lessons along the way. So if you enjoy following real investing journeys, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next update. Now, let's jump into the numbers. What you see here is the dashboard I've built to track all my investments and monitor their performance over time. Since the last update in August, my investing plan has continued to grow steadily. I am now at 44% of my target, and so far I have managed to stay right on track. This means that month over month I'm getting closer to the target, and I should reach the 50% milestone in the first month of next year. Also this month, as usual, I have invested another €1,100, splitting €1,000 in an ETF tracking the S&P 500, €100 into a gold ETC. Both of these investments are performing very well. The S&P 500 has just reached a new all-time high, and gold has gained almost 20% since the beginning of the year. Of course, the weak dollar has been pulling down some of my returns, as I explained in my last videos, but overall my capital gains are still growing nicely. On top of that, I also receive a 2% monthly interest on my cash deposits, plus the 1% cashback from the Trade Republic Mirror card. These contributions might seem small, but they are working silently in the background, helping me move steadily closer to my target. In total, my investments are currently showing around a 10% return. To put that into perspective, €4,000 in gains is roughly equal to 2 months of my average savings, which is already a pretty significant contribution to the challenge. Now let's take a look at the outlook for the next few months. The Fear and Greed Index currently sits at 52 points, well above compared to a few months ago when it was even below 10 points. This suggests that the wave of volatility we saw earlier in the year has calmed down and the market may be entering a new cycle. That said, I don't think we are done with volatility just yet. The ongoing tariff discussions are still unresolved and remain under constant negotiation between countries. In my view, this will continue to play a significant role in shaping market movements, at least until November, when the midterm elections in the US will provide more clarity on how these measures are perceived by voters and how policymakers decide to respond. But here's the key point. For my long-term €100,000 challenge, short-term market swings aren't really that important. If the market rises, I'll enjoy the capital gains. It's always nice to see the numbers go up. But if it dips, I'll take it as an opportunity to invest more, just like I did during the drop back in April, buying at more favorable prices. That's the mindset I'm keeping, staying consistent no matter what the market does in the short run. And that's it for this month's update on my €100,000 challenge. What I've learned again is that this journey is not just about hitting a number, it's about building discipline, stay consistent and keeping the long-term perspective no matter what the market does in the short term. Every month, even small contributions add up, and step by step the progress becomes visible. That's the real power of investing and saving with intention. I'll keep sharing my progress with you, and I hope it inspires you to stay on track with your own goals, whether it's reaching financial independence, saving for a project, or just getting more confident with investing. I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest lessons you have learned from your own investing journey so far? Drop it in the comments. I always enjoy reading your experiences and insights. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you can follow along with the next update. Thanks for being part of this journey with me and see you in the next one. Bye!